Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do those fun animal or leopard or jungle, I think that's the word I'm looking for, jungle nails. So I am going to apply this on top of already built out nails. So this is a Madame Glam color by On My Way. You can see there. And I'm going to apply a nice thin layer here. Now, while this is still sticky, I'm going to take this neon powder, and this is just pigment, nothing special, and I am going to rub it in. All right, taking Lucky Bamboo from Nail Addict, scraping it off, and I'm gonna go in on my ring finger. Alright, I'm going to take the yellow pigment. That one's not as bright. I might do another layer of that one. So I'm taking 135 from Ugly Duckling. But not today. The orange pigment. Next up is You're in the Pink. Alright, I'm gonna matte top coat these. So I am taking that Nail Addict color again and sweeping it up. Now what I'm gonna do here is take a clear. I'm just grabbing a brush that I cut, so you can see it has like a little angle there. And I'm going to start dropping it in. And we're gonna let it go for a second. Okay, so I have cured that, but I am going to wipe that off. So I want nothing sticky on this nail, because what we're gonna do here is we're gonna stamp, but I'm gonna stamp with some foil. So I'm going to take the Moira stamping polish, and this is their black one. I'm taking the Dixie Plates Lots of Leaves, my clear jelly stamper. Black gel paint. Of course, my camera was not recording. However, I did mix a little bit of the black with some clear, and now I'm just dropping some little clear dots in here. All right, so I've come to the realization I do not like the stamped version of this, so I'm going in and just trying to outline this. right, here is my rendition. Clearly, it's not the best, but I really enjoyed this one. This one took me quite some time because of all the layers. I didn't do my thumb. You partly see my thumb. I didn't really do it. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.